story coming from the Bible. Okay? Special performance. I wonder what is that?
Jonah,
Yes, God.
go to Nineveh and tell all the people there to live the right way and not the wrong way.
Okay, God.
Will Jonah obey God to go to Nineveh? Will you, Jonah? Oh, Jonah doesn't like people of Nineveh, so he went to the opposite way. The boat is outside now, and the storm has stopped. And closer until in front of Jonah. Turns out it's a very big fish. They look at each other without saying anything. It's Jonah inside the stinky and slimy fish tummy because he didn't obey God. He stayed there on the first day.
Hello, I'm still in the fish.
Day 3.
Don't forget to obey Jesus.